Mike lowu na ritshuri.
There must be something. I mean, isn't there any kind of emergency surgery or anything? There's nothing we can do here. There is a private medical facility in Denmark that has done testing on this injury. Okay, let's go then. It's considered experimental, even though it's been highly successful. Your insurance won't cover it. What? How much does the surgery cost? $250.
Both matsakis. Mativa la ina problem. Problem yakona iku. Nwanyana lo. R1. Seningo. Mina.
We'll go door to door. Everyone wants your dad. They'll give us money.
Aningo randi so. Ningo kumbeshana.
You know how much money that is? I have a blank line.
Mwina minga bakale.
They're rare.
Minga kota ki solvela makale. Mimupfuna lo assista.
Well, what if I...
Kuri angane randi.
And then I can make...
Tani leswi na mina ninga ngo randiku.
Personal collateral?
Eh
We already have that.
ya yona mhaka leyi ya serious yi twala yi ri serious.
You don't qualify for personal loan at this time. I understand that.
Lexi ni nga xi endlaku yona ko va problem yo tika ku fika kwalaho
Doesn't it mean anything that I work for them?
iku
But you're freelance, aren't you?
ani wena u complain hi ku lo wa sestere lo wa ku rhanda
A security company which under
u
you
lava ku ni n'wi endla ku a nga ha ku rhandi.
with fully operational security in the allotted time stated in the contract.
Wa tiva ku yini ku solvela mhaka leyi na swi lava mara xiphiqo i xin'we i ku swa fana hambi no endla ku ri
Only paper.
yena a nga ha ku rhandi ivi ni endla wena ku u n'wi rhandza swa ha ta vuyela laha ka ku yena a kha a rhandza wena ho nga n'wi rhandzi ka ha ta va ka ha ri xixin'we so kahlekahle mhaka ya n'wina a yi solveki.